Have you ever wished there was a way to cross-reference CNC router bits? Well, keep watching because now there is. It's bit time. Hi, I'm Eli. Today I want to share with you a feature that we have on the American Bitworks website that I think you're going to like. We often get asked the question, do you have a bit equivalent for brand A or brand B? It's a great question, so today you'll learn how to obtain the answer. On the homepage of our website, you'll find this search box. If you enter the part number of the bit you're currently using without any dashes or spaces, you'll quickly see if we offer an equivalent bit. For example, let's say you're using an Onsrud part number 63-743. Type the part number in without the dashes and hit enter. Bam! Here's the equivalent bit from Box Canyon Solutions, the brand that we offer on our website. Click on the item and instantly you're taken to the ordering page where you'll find the order quantity discounts. Enter the quantity you need and you'll quickly have bits headed your way.
And there goes our delivery eagle with your bits now.
Man, I love that guy. He's always showing up next day. Now let's say you're using an Amana part number 51478. When you hit enter, two choices appear. EDP number 1050, which is the high performance variant, and EDP 1014, which is the general purpose variant. Both are considered equivalent to the Amana 51478, but the high performance variant has an additional end grind which provides improved performance when you're doing a lot of plunging or ramping cuts. As you can see, the cross-reference feature on the website is easy to use. Just enter the part number of the bit you're using now. You'll find cross-reference details for 6 different brands: Amana, Onsrud, Southeast Tool, Whiteside, Balan, and Vortex. If you need cross-reference details for any other brand, just drop us a note in the Contact Us section. We'll be glad to help. One final detail to make note of. When using the cross-reference, be sure to verify these 3 dimensions: length of cut, shank diameter, and overall length, as there may be slight differences. We hope you'll find our cross-reference feature helpful. See you next time on
Eli the Bit Guy.